About 4,000 HIV test kits have been donated to the National Agency for the Control of AIDS, NACA, to support HIV prevention efforts in Nigeria. The donation, which comprises 2,000 HIV self-test kits and 2,000 professional HIV test kits, was donated by an international manufacturer of HIV test kits, World 4 Biotech, to support NACA ahead of next month's World AIDS Day. Speaking at a brief ceremony held in Abuja, the firm's country representative in Nigeria, Bravo Otohabru, said the intervention, which has already been extended to other health institutions, is to help people know their HIV status and other areas involved in its effective management.
This is the first step of the areas of collaboration that we have mentioned. What we really want to do here is to donate some HIV test kits, 2,000 tests, and HIV self-test, 2,000 pieces also, to NACA in its efforts or to support the activities that NACA has earmarked for the World AIDS Day for 2024.
Responding, the DG of NACA, Dr. Temitope IIorin, expressed gratitude for the gesture, saying it will enable individuals tests for HIV in the comfort of their homes.
We appreciate the innovation of having self-test kits, because this will ensure that individuals can actually test for HIV even in the comfort of their homes, and we are happy to have this kit with us, and we want to assure you that we're going to put it to very judicious use. So
the 2,000 self-test HIV kits and 2,000 professional HIV test kits have been pre-qualified by the World Health Organization and registered by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, CNA News.